You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to get straight A's fast. Then you are in right spot. Getting perfect grades doesn't need to be so complicated. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you no BS guide. So throughout my life, I have always had pretty good grades. In my primary school, in my 10th boards, and in my 12th board with just doing 4 hours max self-studying. So you can call me your big sister, who will tell you how she did it and how you can do it too. I know most of you going to left this video in middle, but trust me. I bet if you watch this video all the way to the end, you will learn all the secrets that toppers will never ever tell you. Choice is yours. Let's start. The first thing you need to do is rewire your mindset. And there are 3 key things to stop panicking. Like a little nerd, relax. You need to tell yourself that there is no test which I can't top, there is not any exam which I can't ace, and I can be an academic weapon too. Now the second thing you need to do is start gamify studying. You need to make studying fun, not boring. Start by making a simple yet effective planning. In this, you can create a study schedule that breaks down your tasks into manageable sessions, ensuring a balance between subject and topics. Now, the third key you want to do is implement Parkinson's law. This law is about setting goals and deadlines for yourself. So let me give you an example. If you want to study for your math exam, don't just give yourself entire Saturday to study for that exam. That's highly unspecific. And it's really broad of timeline. Give yourself 2 hours maximum to study. Because if you give entire day to study, you're going to end up wasting so much time. So here you have to implement Parkinson's law. You have to understand that my exam is in the next 2 hours and I need to crack it. This way, you'll save a lot of your own time too. Now the third tip is organize what you need to study. Guys, this is very important when it comes to acing your exam. First, you need to know what's actually being tested on your exam. So for that, identify key topics. Look at the syllabus and past exams to find the most important and commonly tested topics. Next, assess your knowledge. Quickly review what you know and identify your weakest areas. For example, in math trigonometry, triangle quadratic equation are your weak chapters. Then prepare them first. Last and most important, prioritize your study. Focus first on high-weighted topics where you're weak. Then review important topics you know well. Save low-weighted topics for last, unless they offer easy marks. And don't forget to solve PYQs. PYQs are the backbone. The fourth tip is give mocks. What is mock? Mock tests basically are practice papers that are prepared purely based on the latest exam pattern and syllabus of the respective examination. Mocks test allows students to identify the areas that they need to improve on before the final exam. Once you prepare single chapter or syllabus, solve mocks. It will be better if you solve this with timer. Now the fifth tip is read notes. Read your notes 5-10 times before you sleep. For example, your exam is on Thursday day and you have Tuesday and Wednesday for preparation. In these 2 days before going to sleep, you have to read your note 5-10 times at the time of reading. Don't think like you're studying, think like you're reading your favourite book. This will enhance your memory and helps you remember all those things. Girls, listen. You've watched this video, but just watching it won't be enough. You'll need to make a strong mindset and follow these tips in your daily routine. It doesn't matter whether you feel like studying or not. You just have to sit down and commit to the goal you want to achieve. Only then will you achieve success from it. So this is for today's video. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.